Money Finance Freedom. Today we're going to talk about what went on with the stock market. Now we understand that the players in this game are Robinhood, GameStop, and Reddit. Now, there's been a lot of controversy about what has gone on in the market. Is it legal? Is it illegal? That is yet to be determined. What we do understand is that Robinhood and a lot of the other online trading brokerages did not allow trading on certain stocks. Now, those stocks were primarily GameStop, Nokia, Naked Brand, and AMC. Now we're going to see all of their charts here today, and they're all going to react very similar to what went on. If we're looking at the start of the day, all four stocks skyrocketed. Now, this would be a good trend for anyone to see. We're going to jump up quite a few percentage points for each of these stocks, and then we're going to go shooting straight back down. Now, if you look over here at Nokia, we have the same trend, shooting up. AMC, shooting straight up. You can take a zoom in on that. We're going to notice that all of these stocks went straight up at the beginning of the day and then straight back down. Now, was this because we stopped investing in the companies? No. The volume shot down because investors like you and I were unable to put our money into this stock. The reason being is because a lot of the hedge funds needed to get out of their positions. Now, Robinhood isn't going to blatantly come out and say this, but based on the finance institutions that are backing them, there was a lot of pressure on them to, what they say, control volatility. But really what happened is a lot of these companies were more than likely reducing their positions and trying to become less risky, while retail traders like you and I were trying to put money in the stock. This allowed for the stock to shoot back down, and the short sellers could get out of their positions. Now, a lot of those short sellers are still holding their positions and are hoping that as long as Robinhood can minimize their risk and institutions like it, then they don't need to worry about shooting down too much more. If this stock continues to grow, which I believe it will, we could actually see the Robinhood investors, retail investors, make a lot more money. I'm unsure about what will happen tomorrow, but what we do know is that the Robinhood scandal is going to continue to grow. They've decided that for tomorrow, they're going to allow a limited investment into these companies. What does that look like? We don't know. Some of our trades will go through and some of them will not. It's an unprecedented time, and we have no clue what Robinhood is allowed to and not allowed to do. In the meantime, a lot of the big names in society are coming to the defense of the people. Now, Elon, Mark Cuban, a lot of these billionaires are actually saying, let the people trade, let the people make their money, because hedge funds have been doing this for years. And now that we're making a little bit of profit, people are overreacting. So the real question is what are we going to do tomorrow? How will the market react? And what situation will Robinhood put us in? The fact of the matter is that a lot of these online brokerages, not just Robinhood, hold the keys to the castle. They're our only access point into the market. These hedge funds and other institutional buyers are allowed to place money wherever they want, whenever they want. But as Robinhood has shown us today, the precedent is that retail buyers are at the mercy of their brokers. Now, they offer us free trade commissions and they allow us to put our money in and out of the market, but they don't allow us to do it when and where we want. They do have somewhat control over that now. The interesting fact is that we're allowed to invest in things like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, a lot of the penny stocks, pharmaceutical stocks that have been shooting up recently. So volatility has little to no play in the factor. What it is that institutional hedge funds are trying to minimize their position. So again, we see that these online brokerages are taking the sides of the people with the deep pockets so that they no longer have to hold the bag, as it's called, and take the loss. What's really happening is that they're not allowing the retail buyers like you and I to profit from the scenario. Now everyone's asking, will all of these stocks shoot up? What is the next GameStop? Who is the next short squeeze going to be on? The fact of the matter is we really don't know. So as we move forward in this market, we want to keep stable on these uptrends, but be ready for times like Robinhood to shoot us back down. There is little to no control we have over the situation, and we just have to be used to that.